Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 168A Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, I will show you step-by-step guide on how to make payment on 168A Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. Before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or JD Shopping app, or Alibaba or AliExpress, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your 168A Chinese shopping app. I'm going to open up. Then having opened up your 168A Chinese shopping app, next thing you need to do is to make sure you search for products on 1688 from different supplier. However, there are so many ways by which you can use to search for products and add the product to cart. If you don't know how to search for product on 168A Chinese shopping app, consider to check the video out on my channel and see how to search for product from different supplier. After you search for product, add the product to cart, then the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and proceed to your cart right here. Now you are here. So all the products you have in your cart is going to be found right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and select the one you want to make payment for. So I'm paying for this particular product right here. And I'll scroll down right here. I'm making payment for this. Then I'm making payment for this. I'm paying for this. I'm paying for this goods also. And I'll scroll down right here. Scroll down right here. I'm paying for this. And I'm paying for this. Next thing I need to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. Now you are here. From the checkout right here, you can also preview all the products that you have right here. If you have anything you want to remove, you can as well remove right here. If you have anything you want to add, you can also add right here. So you can see everything right here. Once you are satisfied with everything right here, next thing you want to do is to simply come down below right here, click on here to proceed with payment. Now you are here. I'm paying the sum of 663.3 yen to purchase all the products, and I'm using my Alipay as a means of payment right here. However, if you do not have Alipay, you can make use of card payments, which it can either be MasterCard or Visa card. But in this tutorial, I'm using my Alipay. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to payment. So allow the Alipay to connect. Go ahead and enter your payment password. Now you can see payment done successful. Next thing I'm going to do here is to go ahead and screenshot this part right here. So I'm going to go ahead and make a screenshot. Having made a screenshot, next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I close this pop-up. I'm going to click on here now to close this pop-up. Then we can go to my profile to view all the products I just paid for. I'll go ahead and click on here. So by the time I refresh my profile, all the goods I just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So here we go. You can see everything right here. It's that simple. Lastly, I will go ahead and exit from here and go to my WhatsApp because someone asked me to pay for them on 1688. So I'm going ahead now here and open up my WhatsApp, and I'll click on here, upload the proof that we have just paid for all goods. All goods paid for, successful. It's that simple. So you can see my chat with this person's right here from the top right here, and where they send link and where we do the quotation, video of the product was made, calculation was made before eventually we proceed with payment right here. You can see all my chart with this person's right here, just like what you see right here. So you can see some of the products that have been delivered so far. It's that simple. If this is exactly what you want me to pay a Chinese supplier either on 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, or JD.com, Hydrofish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.